Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Logs of a Dead. Last video we learned what is GitHub and what are the basics of a GitHub, as well as creating your first README, as well as what are repositories, getting commits, branches, etc. Today we are going to be actually creating your first README, which is going to be a very professional, cultural, and like a lot of important things in that, so that you can present that readme and it can look more professional, and like recruiters can see your readme, and at the end of the day it's all about getting a good job, getting a good start page in a good startup. So this is going to be a type of a resume, but this is going to be the resume of your skills, like the work you have actually done. So GitHub is going to show that. So firstly, let me show you my GitHub, which I have made in my account. So it looks something like this. As you can see, my name is got some animations, my tech stack, my coder profile, and like the streak and number of contributions. So we will be building something like this, but like in your own language and like in your own way. Like you can change your learning curve, you can change your experiences, you can put like what all internship experiences you have. So that's what we are going to do. These are all my products. This gets automatically pinned, and like this is my commit history. So yeah, we're going to be building something like this. So keep watching, watch till the end. We are going to use AI in this, so it's going to be very top notch. So let us begin. So the first thing you will want to open is going to be Google AI Studio. Yeah, you're going to open this, and then in this only you're going to click on build and open that in a new tab also. So this is going to be our builder, as then this is going to be our ideation phase. You're going to type over here like, hello, I am a AI ML intern, AIML design engineer. My name is Akshit. I am in the final year of my BTech in computer science. BTech in computer science. You're gonna basically prompt right over. You're gonna tell everything about it. I have also previously worked as a full stack engineer using the tech stack such as React, Node.js, TypeScript, etc. I am updating, or you can write I'm updating my readme in GitHub so that it looks professional as well as more recruiter friendly. Yeah. Give me some design ideas. Yeah, so you're gonna like type that. You can also type like I am a first year computer science engineer. I'm just starting on GitHub. I want to have like some sort of professional feel, some sort of interactive, creative feel. So it's also gonna tell that. So right now it's thinking. So okay, so these are some of the outputs that we have gotten. Combining a full stack background with AI engineering. So yeah, these are some of the outputs, which is top-down blueprint. It is basically telling you about like the prompt which you have given. It will explain you like, okay, design based on that. C key, recruiters spend about 30 seconds on your profile, like that's, and then showing a header, bridge bio that links the two, and like the you need to also, we can also use GitHub readme stacks. I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to open that in a new tab. Yeah, so we can show both of our expertise, and you can use clean icons for that, as well as the portfolio bridge. These are like the impact cards which we can get, like some of the cards, like what all skills do you have, what all tech stack do you use, it is that, and some professional elements. So let's give it another prompt like, okay, I like the top down blueprint design, guide me to put my stats, as well as give me a code to put in my readme to make the same as you told. Now it's going to reply. Yeah, the stats working. We need to create a repository. Okay, so firstly, we need to go over that. This is like a open source repository. I will link it down in the comment section. So this is like open repository we need to use to get the repository name. We have to make a new repository. We have to make it a username, add a readme file. This is we have already done. Okay, next is top-down blueprint. Yeah, this is the code we need, which is like your username for the Vercel render, which is Akshit, my username, text, and this is everything. We need the bridge, which is the readme typing SPG. This is like the LinkedIn username. We have to enter the email, GitHub. We need to copy that. Go to your readme. Okay, take the code, Control A, Control V, Command V, or Command Control or Command whatever you use between Windows or Mac. Click on preview. So this will be empty for now. Yeah, this is going to be empty. This is going to be a LinkedIn email. You need to link all of that. See, it has automatically made something like a full stack engineer, Titan complex AI, and then engineering stats, proof of work. So now let's figure on that. Let's clean up this empty space. We are going to, first of all, let's see where you need to enter your email. You need to enter your username over here. Readme stats, GitHub stats card. Okay, go over here. Click on edit. Copy your username, which is your username. You need to click on your username here. You need to cut that. You need to write Akshit Vadva 05. Copy that username, and wherever there is a username field, your username here, you need to Control V on that. Your username here, click on Control V, Command Control, whatever, depending on the Mac or yeah. This is the dynamic var. GitHub streak stats, which is already done. Languages stacks done. And contribution flow, this is like this is the snake pattern. So we're going to click on preview. Right now it's going to be empty because we don't have any contribution. So just commit these changes. Then let's see, it is automatically going to show directly in your main branch, which is your main readme. So you're going to click on your profile, and as you can see, yeah, it's already getting made. Right now this is not working because I don't have any stats or don't have any it is a clean profile. As you can see, I joined 3 days ago. But when you paste this in your profile, you're gonna get your stats, something like I showed you in the start of the video, something like that, like how much your commit history is, how many commits have you made, what is your highest commit streak, and all. Okay, next thing we are going to do is we are going to set up a we're going to set up the Vercel render to get the innovative app. Okay, so you can go into this repository, and as you can see, there are many stats card. Over here we have chosen, this is the stats card. We have chosen like border display. These are all the things we have chosen, but you can update it over here, which many new designs as well, because there is like some color design, radical dark, Marco groove box, Tokyo night, one dark, etc. Just need to change. You have to go over here. You need to copy this. This is what you have to copy, and seeing this, you need to just change the end thing, which is theme. If you want transparent, you can choose transparent, and click on available themes. If you want different themes, you can check over here. Yeah, so you need to change transparent with Tokyo night, one dark, Dracula, Persian, and then that's like, yeah, theme, new theme name, and you can change over here dark show. That's all you need to do to customize your GitHub readme based upon that. Okay, so after you have entered your stats over here in the edit section, your everything is gonna show over here, and then you're gonna have a perfect readme like this. But if, let us suppose you want to get another design, like, okay, I don't want anything to do with Vercel or stats. I a clean, professional, and good looking readme which enhances my profile. I'm gonna place it on run. This is going to get us something like which is not that fancy, not that stats based, but this is something like simple and clean, minimalistic executives type. This is also very much like used nowadays. We can copy the code. We're going to go over at edit. You repeat the process, control A, command, control or command, whatever. Click on preview. Yeah. See, this is something, okay. So this is actually a very beautiful README, which it has shown to us. These are all active buttons. You can click on LinkedIn, resume, beat, it has said full stack, bridging the gap between models and this is the description. This is actually given as a resume style. So sometimes, recruiters want to do is like they just open your readme and see, okay, how many commits he has done, and then you can actually put a top repositories over here, professional experience, and then we can also ask him make a space where I can put my top repositories. I'm gonna click on run. In the same thing, it's gonna tell you like where you can put it up the most things you have worked on. Okay, so grid, we have activated a grid, project repo link actually and all, and then you copy this, go over here, control V, control V, control A, control V. Yeah, it's done. See, you've got a link over here, you've got about repository, technical ecosystem, and then you can also enter professional summary, and you can also, if you want, you can also copy this over here. After core stack, you can write technical ecosystem. You can actually copy this part also, professional experience. Also just kind of click on copy, go over here, click on edit. After the core stack, just after the core like this, just click enter, click on this, do 3 this is another part which you have made. Click on preview, and as you can see, yeah, technical ecosystem. Just a minute, there's some error. Yeah, you need to give one more line over here. Yeah, that's it. Click on preview. Yeah, it's over here, professional ecosystem. This is established as a boundary between that. Yeah, this is a good looking readme. If I commit this, let's see how it will look if you open your profile. So suppose anyone opens your profile, this is how it will look. Such a clean and good looking readme. Like it can easily see your top projects, technical ecosystem, professional ecosystem. Yeah, this has come out to be actually a very good readme. If you don't want to go for the classy looking, the stats based, because actually the person can actually see your stats over here. And if you don't want to go, if you want to be the 1% who likes a minimalistic or likes a simple, and you know your projects can be the highlighter of the readme, then I think this is the one you should go. I want to keep this readme also in this profile, and later on I can update it if I want. So yeah, folks, that's it for this video in a logs of a dev. We found how to make a good and a professional readme. In the upcoming videos, I'm going to start teaching you how to make your own portfolio website. So till then, keep watching and keep developing. Goodbye.